guys, welcome to another video. I am sorry that I have not been posting a lot of videos. I have been busy lately, so I am doing this video. We are going to be making the slime recipe. I'm not sure if it's going to be long or not. Shouldn't be, just like one slime recipe. Most likely 2 ingredients, probably. So what you're going to need is some blue sticky tack or blue tack, whatever you call it. You're going to need this, and then you're going to need some hand soap of any kind. And what you're going to do first, if you want to, you should stretch it out so that way it'll be easier to cooperate with. So you're going to stretch it out. I stretch it out a lot, and then you don't want to dip the blue tack into the soap a lot, because then it's going to make it really sticky. So pour this into a bowl. Don't stir it up or anything, but it's really easy. So you're going to pour this into a bowl, okay? And then you're going to dip it in a little bit, and then you're just going to start stretching it out. Don't put it in a lot. So just keep on dipping it in until it turns softer and a lot stretchier. It's really hard to deal with. So just keep on dipping it in. Like I said, don't dip it in a lot. That's going to be really, really sticky. Stretchy. Mine's turning into slime. This is a really easy slime. You could probably go to the dollar store and get some glue tack if you want it to make this slime. You could go to the store and get this, and it's pretty cool. Got to the right consistency and it's all good. So thank you guys for watching this video. Please like and subscribe and join the Hermans or whatever. Yeah, thanks for watching, guys. Bye.